was about another situation. Still Genesis, have you got it? That is the destruction of Sodom and Gomorrah. Let's open up to Genesis 18. Genesis 18 and 19. We'll start off in 18. How was Sodom and Gomorrah against Jehovah's witnesses? Genesis 18 verse 26. Then Jehovah said, the outcry against Sodom and Gomorrah is indeed great, and their sin is very heavy. Forget about against Jehovah's will. So let's look at what happened specifically. You see, along came a couple of men to visit Lot, who ended up being angels. So they came by his well. And then verses 4 and 5, this is what happened. Before they could lie down to sleep, the men of the city, the men of Sodom, from boy to old man, all of them surrounded the house in one mob. Now, isn't that disturbing? We know that Sodom and Gomorrah were about to lead a serious homosexual pregnancy. So in addition, notice, boys were invited against life. And pedophilia